Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm thrilled to bring you an in-depth review of the Samsung 49 Odyssey OLED G9 DQHD curved gaming monitor. This monitor promises to deliver an unparalleled gaming experience with its cutting-edge technology and immersive design. Let's dive into what makes the Odyssey OLED G9 a game changer for gamers and tech enthusiasts alike. If you're looking to buy this monitor, then you may check out the link below for the best price available today. First off, let's talk about the design. The Samsung Odyssey OLED G9 features a stunning 49-inch curved display that wraps around your field of vision, providing an incredibly immersive experience. The ultra-wide aspect ratio and deep curve make you feel like you're part of the action. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or multitasking, the sleek and modern design, coupled with a sturdy stand, ensures that this monitor not only performs well, but also looks fantastic on any desk. The highlight of this monitor is its OLED panel. The Samsung Odyssey G9 boasts dual Quad HD, DQHD resolution, delivering breathtakingly sharp and detailed images. The OLED technology provides perfect blacks, vibrant colors, and stunning contrast, making every scene come to life with incredible realism. Whether you're exploring vast open worlds or engaging in fast-paced action, the picture quality is second to none. One of the standout features of the Odyssey OLED G9 is its high refresh rate. With a 240 Hz refresh rate and a 1 ms response time, this monitor ensures smooth and fluid gameplay, even in the most intense gaming sessions. The high refresh rate reduces motion blur and ghosting, giving you a competitive edge in your favorite games. Whether you're playing first-person shooters, racing games, or sports titles, the Odyssey G9 delivers a seamless gaming experience. The Samsung Odyssey OLED G9 also supports AMD FreeSync Premium Pro and NVIDIA G-Sync. These technologies synchronize the monitor's refresh rate with your graphics card's frame rate, eliminating screen tearing and stuttering for a smoother and more immersive gaming experience. FreeSync Premium Pro and G-Sync ensure that every frame is rendered perfectly, allowing you to enjoy your games without any visual distractions. In addition to its impressive gaming capabilities, the Odyssey OLED G9 excels in productivity. The ultra-wide aspect ratio and DQHD resolution provide ample screen real estate for multitasking, allowing you to open multiple windows and applications side by side. Whether you're editing videos, working on a spreadsheet, or browsing the web, the Odyssey G9 enhances your productivity with its expansive and immersive display. The Odyssey OLED G9 also features HDR support, enhancing the dynamic range and color accuracy of the display. HDR content looks stunning on this monitor, with brighter highlights, deeper shadows, and more vivid colors. Whether you're watching HDR movies or playing HDR games, the Odyssey G9 provides a truly cinematic experience. In terms of connectivity, the Samsung Odyssey OLED G9 offers a variety of options. It includes multiple HDMI and DisplayPort inputs, as well as USB ports for connecting peripherals. The monitor also features built-in speakers, providing clear and immersive audio without the need for external speakers. Additionally, the monitor's design includes customizable RGB lighting, allowing you to personalize your setup and create the perfect gaming ambience. The Samsung Odyssey OLED G9 is also designed with user comfort in mind. The ergonomic stand allows you to adjust the height, tilt, and swivel of the monitor, ensuring a comfortable viewing angle for extended gaming sessions. The monitor also features a blue light filter and flicker-free technology, reducing eye strain and fatigue during long periods of use. In conclusion, the Samsung 49 Odyssey OLED G9 DQHD curved gaming monitor is an outstanding choice for gamers and tech enthusiasts looking to elevate their gaming experience. Its stunning design, advanced display technology, high refresh rate, and versatile features make it a top-tier gaming monitor that delivers exceptional performance. Whether you're a competitive gamer, a content creator, or a tech enthusiast, this monitor has something to offer for everyone. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.